Why home gardening is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Title: Why home gardening is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Introduction. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards embracing the concept of home gardening. Home gardening not only provides a wide range of physical and mental health benefits but also offers a sense of fulfillment and purpose. This article explores the reasons why home gardening is essential for a healthy lifestyle and how it positively impacts individuals and communities. 1. Fresh and nutritious food. One of the primary benefits of home gardening is the ability to grow and consume fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Store-bought produce often undergoes a long journey from farm to plate, resulting in reduced nutritional value and taste. By growing your own food, you can ensure its freshness and maximize its nutrient content. Additionally, homegrown fruits and vegetables are not exposed to harmful chemicals, pesticides, or preservatives that are commonly used in commercial agriculture. This promotes the consumption of healthier foods and reduces the risk of various health problems, such as obesity and heart disease. 2. Physical exercise. Home gardening involves a range of physical activities, such as digging, planting, weeding, and watering, which contribute to regular exercise. Engaging in these activities helps improve muscle strength, flexibility, and endurance. Gardening can also be a great way to burn calories and maintain a healthy weight. Spending just 30 minutes to an hour working in the garden can provide a moderate workout and contribute to meeting daily physical activity recommendations. 3. Stress reduction and mental well-being. Connecting with nature has been proven to reduce stress levels and improve mental well-being. Home gardening allows individuals to immerse themselves in nature and experience its therapeutic effects. Spending time in the garden, surrounded by greenery and fresh air, can help reduce anxiety, lower blood pressure, and elevate mood. Gardening also provides a sense of purpose and achievement as individuals witness the growth and development of their plants. The act of nurturing and caring for living things promotes mindfulness and can be both meditative and rewarding. 4. Environmental sustainability. Home gardening promotes environmental sustainability by reducing our carbon footprint. Growing our own food reduces the distance it needs to travel, reducing transportation emissions and reliance on fossil fuels. Additionally, home gardeners can adopt eco-friendly practices such as composting kitchen waste and using organic fertilizers, reducing reliance on synthetic chemicals. By nurturing biodiversity in their gardens, home gardeners can create habitats for beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife, contributing to local ecological balance. 5. Cost savings. Home gardening has the potential to save money in the long run. By growing your own produce, you can significantly reduce your grocery bills, especially during the harvest season. Additionally, home gardeners have the advantage of choosing heirloom varieties and unique plants that are not commonly available in stores. This can result in cost savings on specialty or organic produce. Furthermore, home gardeners can preserve excess harvest by canning, freezing, or drying, extending the availability of homegrown produce throughout the year. 6. Educational opportunities. Home gardening is an excellent educational tool, especially for children. It allows them to learn about plant life cycles, food production, and the importance of environmental stewardship. Engaging in hands-on gardening experiences can foster a sense of responsibility and encourage a lifelong love for nature. Furthermore, involving children in gardening activities provides an opportunity for quality family time and strengthens bonds. Gardening can also be a valuable educational resource for adults, allowing them to develop new skills and further their understanding of sustainable practices. 7. Community building. Home gardening not only benefits individuals but also has the potential to strengthen communities. Many neighborhoods and communities have started to create community gardens where people can come together to grow food collectively. These community gardens foster a sense of community and provide a space for neighbors to connect, share knowledge, and work together towards a common goal. This type of social interaction promotes a sense of belonging and can help reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation. 8. Food security. Home gardening contributes to food security by increasing the availability of fresh produce. In many areas, especially urban environments known as food deserts, access to affordable and nutritious food is limited. By growing their own food, individuals can have control over their food supply and ensure that they have access to a variety of healthy options. Home gardening empowers individuals to become more self-sufficient and less dependent on traditional food distribution systems. 9. Reducing food waste. Home gardening can also help reduce food waste. When individuals grow their own food, they tend to consume what they need and only harvest as much as they can use. This reduces the likelihood of excess food going to waste. Additionally, home gardeners can compost their organic waste and use it to enrich their soil, closing the nutrient cycle and minimizing waste. 10. Aesthetically pleasing environment. Home gardening enhances the aesthetics of both indoor and outdoor spaces. Indoor gardens can brighten up living spaces and improve air quality, while outdoor gardens can transform dull areas into vibrant and beautiful landscapes. Plants add color, texture, and life to any area, creating a peaceful and visually appealing environment. This aesthetic improvement can contribute to a sense of tranquility and overall well-being.